Hello everyone, Danny this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a password protected page on Wix. So first off, head over to Google and type in Wix. Now go to the official website of Wix. After entering into Wix website, you can see that I have already logged in and I have created multiple sites. For this video, I'm taking this site. So as you can see, I am at my site's dashboard. Now, if I want to create a password protected page, firstly I'll go to design site. So this is my site. Now I want to make changes in the header. So I'll double click here and then I'll click on manage menu. After clicking, you can see these are multiple options like solutions, about, insights and contact. For example, I want to make the solutions wala portion a password protected. So I'll click on these three dots. I'll click on page settings. Then on the top right, I'll click on permissions. Then I'll click on password holders. And then I'll set a password. After setting my password, I'll just simply click on publish and then so this is my site's preview, and as you can see when I click on solution it asks for my password. So this is how you can create your password protected pages on Wix. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.